In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Google Chrome in Windows 11 computer or laptop. To download and install Google Chrome in new Windows 11 computer or laptop, first thing you have to do that you have to open your pre-installed browser Microsoft Edge. You can see on my screen there is my Microsoft Edge browser shortcut key. If its shortcut key is not showing there, then what you have to do that you have to click here on search and you have to type here Edge. The moment you type here Edge, the Microsoft Edge browser will come in front of your screen. If it is not showing its shortcut key here, then you can search it here, and if it is showing its shortcut key here, then what you can do that you can double click here to open Microsoft Edge browser. So I am going to double click on Microsoft Edge browser shortcut key to open Microsoft Edge. So you can see that I have successfully opened Microsoft Edge browser is in my computer, and the next thing we are going to do that we are going to download and install Google Chrome in our computer. To download Google Chrome, we have to do that we have to click here search the web, and here we have to type Google Chrome. The thing I am typing here, you have to type the same thing Google Chrome and hit the enter button to search. Now you can see on my screen when I search Google Chrome, then it's a Google Chrome official website come in my front of screen. Here you can see that https www.google.com download Google Chrome one click away with autofill. So just click on download Google Chrome one click away with autofill. Now you can see that when I click on download Google Chrome one click away with autofill, then you can see that it's a Google Chrome official website has been open in my computer, and I am cutting this. This is a notification, and here you can see that it is written the browser built to be your means it is especially built for your computer, and we are going to download Google Chrome. To download Google Chrome, here you can see a button to download Google Chrome. So simply click on download Chrome to download Google Chrome. Now you can see that when I just click on download Chrome, it's a setup file has been downloaded in our computer. Again I am going to show you setup file. To see setup file, what you have to do that you have to click on this triple dot. After clicking on triple dot, here you see lots of option, so then you have to click on download. Now you can see that the setup file of Google Chrome has been downloaded in our computer, and here you can see that it has been written thanks for downloading. And one more thing that it is written here, your download will begin automatically. If it didn't start, then download Chrome manually, means it is saying that when you click on download Chrome, then it setup file has been downloaded, then it is okay. If it is not downloaded after clicking on download Chrome, then what you have to do that you have to download manually. After clicking on download Chrome manually, here you have to click if it is not downloaded. But in our case, Chrome setup file has been downloaded in our computer, so we are not going to click here download Chrome manually because it has been downloaded in our computer. So our first task to download Chrome has been completed, and our next task is to install it. To install Google Chrome in our computer, what we have to do that we have to click in this folder icon. So just click on this folder icon. When you click on folder icon, your file explorer will be open, and after then you have to click on download. When you click on download, you can see that your setup file has been downloaded in download folder. You can see this setup file, and now we are going to install this setup file. To install this Google Chrome setup file, we have to double left click on this Chrome setup file, and now it is asking for permission to me. Do you want to allow this app to make change to your device? Basically this thing is not showing on your screen because it is not recording, so you have to click on yes. So I am going to click it on yes, and after clicking yes, it is showing that on your marks, and it is checking that we are connecting to internet or not, and you can see on your screen it is downloading Google Chrome main setup file, and it will take 15 to 20 seconds to download it. Just you have to wait 15 to 20 seconds, and after downloading the setup file, you can see that it has been written download complete, and what it is going to do ahead, it is going to install it in your computer. Now you can see it has been written installing. It will also take 15 to 20 seconds to install this Google Chrome setup file, and very soon after installing the Google Chrome setup, it has been automatically open in your computer. Now you can see that Google Chrome is automatically open in my computer, and what I am going to do that I am going to cut it, and here you can see it came, and again I am going to cut it. This thing is not working. First I have to click on got it, and after then it will work when I cut it, and again I am cutting file explorer, and again I am going to cut Microsoft Edge browser, and now what you have to do that you have to refresh it, and after refreshing you can see that Google Chrome has been downloaded in computer, and its shortcut key come in our home screen. You can see it here. If it is not come on your home screen, then what you have to do that you have to click on search, and here you have to type Chrome. After typing Chrome, you can see on the screen Google Chrome is come in your front of a screen. If its shortcut key is not come here, then what you have to do that you have to type here to search, and when you write Chrome here, Google Chrome in come in front front of your screen. So to open it, you have to double left click on Google Chrome, and after doing double left click, it will be open in your computer. And now I'm going to make it in full screen, and here it is showing you can open bookmarks. So I'm going to cut it, and here it is given option if you wanna set it default browser, so set it. But right now I'm not going to set it as a default browser, and here whatever you want to search you can search. So I'm going to search something. So to search that, first you have to do that is to click here, search Google or type a URL. So I am typing here my name, Aman is my name, and I type Aman and hit the enter button to search, and you can see there is lots of search result. So I am minimizing it. So in this video I have shown you complete process how to download and install Google Chrome in new Windows 11 computer or laptop. So I am going to end this video, and if you have any question then you can ask me in a comment box.